Okay, Janvi goes next.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Janavi. Very nice. Deepak, Kaushi. Actually, Kaushi would get first chance.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Very beautiful, Kaushi. Thank you. Deepak, oh, you have to give your brother a chance.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Deepak. That was very nice. Subhadra goes next.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Subhadra. Gaurangi, you're next.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Mataji, I saw this video. I read that song.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Gaurangi. Livon.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Livon. How about Tushita?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Tushita. From a song, you went into fast motion. Okay, that was cool. Raghav. Raghav.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hari Bol, so nice. Do you want Prahlad to also say?
Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Prahlad. Very nice to see you after such a long time. Okay, who is next? Vinita. Okay, Vrinda.
Madhuri, why were you about to say Vinita Gandharv?
Because I wrote my name over here. That's why. Come on, you sing now, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Vrinda. Very nice. Very beautiful. Yes. Anika. Vrinda disappeared into baby Krishna. So cute.
Help me. Help me, teacher.
Help me, teacher.
Oh, help you. Oh, okay. Sure, Anika. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna,
Hare.
Hare
Hare Hare.
Two times.
Hare
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama.
Rama
Hare Hare. Hare Hare. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, Anika. That was very
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
okay. We have Hamsi. Hamsi, are you ready to sing? Chant Hare Krishna. Okay. I can't hear you, Hamsi.
Now you can sing.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari bol, so sweet. Thank you so much, Hamsi.
Thank you, Mataji.
How about Pritu? Are you there, Pritu? Would you like to chant Hare Krishna? Oh, yes, Livon, your sister can also go. Go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Okay, Livon, you want to help her?
Yes.
Yeah, help her.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Ram.
Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare.
Thank you so much. Very sweet. Thank you so much, Livon. That was very nice of you. Okay, so now let's get started with. I'm so happy to see everyone. Most of you are on video. And I don't know what happened to my Jiffy. Jiffy is not working here. But that's okay. We'll start with our prayers. Thank you all for chanting. Together we'll sing this page. Next page, please repeat after me. Okay? So stop after this page. Om
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः नमो विष्णुदादाय
चैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन Padantikam. Are you ready? So please repeat after me, okay? Very good. Thank you all for being silent there. Vandeham
Vandeham
Shri Guru Shri Yuta Pada Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana शाखान्वितांश्च very good. Okay, so this is the next part of our first prayer. So we will learn this over time. Okay.
Yeah, and actually, in my satsang, they actually also say that.
Very good. Yes. So some of you already know it, and some of you will learn it. Okay. Let's complete the rest of our prayer. Nam
Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine
Namaste Saraswati Deve
Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Dashatyadisharini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Gadadha Gadadha Hari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
See, that could be the reason. Looks like I'm sharing the wrong slides. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let us see. Where did it? Day 3. Let us see. Is this the one? Okay. Okay. I think I have it. I will give it to you. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Today, what are we continuing? What is the topic? We are talking about
Ramayan.
Very good. Good job. We are talking about Ramayan, and this is about Dasharatha's longing. What happened? For a long time, Dasharatha has not had any,
Sons.
yeah, no children, no sons, no progeny, no heir to the throne, no more. He doesn't have anyone to succeed him as the next ruler. So because of that, Dasharatha consulted all of his ministers, especially his wise guru. Who is his guru?
Saraswati.
Vasishtha.
Vasishtha. Very good, you got it. Okay, so it's all right. We are just learning the story. Okay, so he requested, he took the instructions of his ministers and Vasishtha, and they are going to do a big sacrifice. This is known as the horse sacrifice, also known as Ashwamedha Yajna. So they released the horse, and the horse wandered around, and they brought all the kings were very pleased, and so the kings allowed him to be the ruler of all of their kingdoms, and it came back after 1 year. So after 1 year, now that the horse has come back, Dasharatha, he didn't say, okay, now the horse is back, let us start the sacrifice. No, although he is the king of such a great empire, still he very humbly went and he asked his guru, my dear Vasishtha Muni, do you think it is now time? Is it appropriate for us to now start the Ashwamedha Yajna? And can you please start it? So sage Vasishtha, he says, yes, this is perfect. And he starts taking up the full responsibility of doing the full fire sacrifice. So for the sacrifice, there are many priests involved. Okay. So Vasishta Muni, he was the leader of everyone. And along with him, they also made Rishyashringa, who is from another kingdom. They asked him to come here because it was already predicted that Rishyashringa is going to be the one who is going to uh, give Dasharath Maharaj the ability to have a child. Okay, so Rishyashringa is the chief priest over there, one of the chief priests, and the other one is Vasishta. So they both start performing all the sacrifice, and Vasishta Muni, he is taking care of everything. He says, you have to construct many marble palaces all over. Why? Because there are many kings from all around coming. So make sure that they all have good accommodation available. And he said, have the best food and the best things to drink available for everyone who is attending the sacrifice. And he says, okay, and then of course the king also makes arrangement for all of his guests to be nicely entertained. So a sacrifice is not where just the king and his ministers and his sages are sitting. No, they invited so many people from all around. So many kings from many other countries are also coming there. So they made sure that everyone is treated very well, everyone is given nice gifts and honored. So Vasishta Muni said, he told all the people that, okay, make sure you take very good care of everyone. And he gave a special instruction to Sumantra. Okay, Sumantra is King Dasharatha's charioteer and his minister. So he's a very dear associate of the king. So Vasishta told him, please make sure that you take special care of King Janaka. King Janaka is going to be related to us in the future. So make sure that you take very good care of him. So Vasishta Muni, he is such a great sage. He can see what is going to, he has good foresight. He can see what's going to happen in the future. So many kings, they arrived and they all brought wonderful gifts. And in return, King Dasharatha and his people also gave them back so many gifts. The best of gifts were given back. And that too, not like, oh, I really don't want to give you this gift, but because you're here, take it. No, they gave it with most respect because they want everyone to be very, very pleased with the whole sacrifice, and they want everyone to be satisfied while they are leaving. Okay. And then the priest said, okay, this is now the most auspicious time, most favorable day. Let us start the fire sacrifice. So for this, in the huge arena, it's a very huge area. In that, so many fires were put. Like you see over here, you see this Yajna Kunda. This is a sacrificial, what is it? That is the place that they make. Okay, for putting the fire and the wood and everything in. Okay, so this Yajna Kunda, this is like this. There were so many of them, and each was for a different deity, and they were all performing the mantras and chanting and doing everything. Okay, there the king and his wives, all his 3 wives come. They sat down and they also started making wonderful offerings into the fire, and they were chanting the mantras and the prayers. So then what happened? Do you know this is a horse sacrifice, right? So what does that mean? Anyone knows what's the meaning of horse sacrifice?
Killing horses.
Deepak, you made it sound really bad. So horse sacrifice means the horse that went around the country for 1 year, around the whole world for 1 year. That horse has to be sacrificed. Okay. So how did that happen? They're going to say that. So Vasishta Muni, he took the horse by its reins, he caught it, and he started chanting powerful mantra. And the moment he chanted the mantra, the horse fell down unconscious. So the people, they lifted the horse and they put the horse on the sacrificial altar. And there, then the horse as the horse left its body, the people who have very divine vision, who have great capabilities, who are very, very renounced and have so much of um, spiritual prowess, they could see that the horse has gone up to heaven and it is now in a much better place. Okay, so with that, the sacrifice was concluded. Now, when a sacrifice is being concluded, what would happen? Huh? King Dasharatha, he has to then offer some gift to the priest. So he was so happy that everything went as planned, and he decided to offer all his wealth, the entire earth. He said, I am going to offer the entire earth to all the priests. But what are the priests going to do with so many people and such a huge area, right? The priests only need what is good for them to survive. So the priest said, please don't give us the whole earth. We don't know how to take care of all these people. That is your responsibility. You please do it. So the king was like, no, no, if you don't accept my land, then the God won't be pleased and the sacrifice will be incomplete. You please have to accept my gift. So the Brahmanas and the priest said, okay, we will accept something from you. So the king gave lots of gifts in the form of gold, silver. He gave millions of nice milk bearing cows. Okay. So after this, the final ritual had to be performed. So in that, they what did they do? They made the offering for the lords, for the gods, okay, the demigods in heaven. They made the special offering, and in the celestial fire, by chanting the mantra, it is purified, and that fire, the smoke.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shivatra and Giridhari. Sorry we joined late because we had a class. Because my brother was late.
Thank you so much, Subhadra and Giridhari, for joining. No problem. Okay, so the smoke, it was accepted by the Lord, by the gods in heaven, and all of the demigods, they were in the sky, except that none of the people can see them, just like how we can't see them now. In the same way, except in those days, some people could see. So all the demigods, they assembled along with Brahmaji, and they assembled in the sky, and Indra started addressing Brahma. What did he say? You have given a boon to the great Rakshasa king, Ravana. And because of that, he is now constantly harassing us. And it's so difficult to overpower him. We are all incapable completely. He is invincible. Brahma gave him the power, that benediction, that he is going to be he cannot be defeated by any of the other species other than humans and vanaras. Okay, so Ravana did not ask for immunity from these two people, from humans and vanaras. So everyone else, no one else can defeat him, no one else can kill him. So he said that he's treating everyone really badly, including the sages. He's contaminating their sacrifices. So please take care of him. We really have to do something. So Brahma also was concerned. This is the second time Brahma's boon is becoming so troublesome to all the devatas. So Indra requested Brahma. So he requested Brahma, you please pray to Lord Vishnu so that he would appear as Dasharath Maharaj's son and he can get rid of the demon or the Rakshasa Ravana. So Ravana could only be killed by a human, and no ordinary human has the power to slay him. So this can only be done by Lord. Who can kill Ravana? Who has the power? Lord Ram can defeat him. So our activity for today is, how are you going to welcome someone who comes to your home? Okay, it may be a friend, it may be someone you don't know, okay, it may be someone you don't like also, but How are you going to welcome anyone who comes to your house? Okay, you need to think about it. And in the breakout room,
By offering prasadam.
okay, no, we are not going to look at it now. I want all of you to speak, so we will go into the breakout room later. Okay, so first let us go and ask Anjana Gopika Mataji to please teach us the verse. Hare Krishna Mataji, are you there? Jana?
Yes, Mataji, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna Mataji, I'm there. Hari Bol, everyone.
Hanumanji, come here.
Sloka? You are putting a sloka there, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, can you not see the screen?
Okay, now I saw. Okay, thank you everyone. Hare Krishna. Okay, we'll learn the sloka first and then Mataji will ask you the question, okay? Okay, can you all repeat after me? Iswara Sarva Bhutanam. I want to hear everyone voice. I will see whose voice is so nice, okay? Iswara Sarva Bhutanam. Natishti. Giridhari's voice big, okay? Riddhe se Arjuna tishtati.
What?
Brahmayan sarva bhutani.
Oh, so you will be with behind Mr. Joe?
Repeat, everyone repeat, okay?
Oh,
Brahmayan
okay. Are you going to
sarva
do some more putting?
bhutani. Yantra rudhani mayaya. Yantra rudhani mayaya. Iswara sarva bhutanam. Ramayan sarva bhutana rudhani mayaya. One more time. Iswara sarva bhutanam. Riddhese Arjuna tishtati. Ramayan sarva bhutani. Yantra rudhani mayaya. Okay, we'll do the rhyme also together. Ramatri, yeah. Who is that holding a golden bow? With the lotus eyes and green skin. Who is that holding a golden bow? With Sita, Lakshmana, and Hanuman.
With Sita, Lakshmana,
With Sita, Lakshmana, and Hanuman.
With Sita, Lakshmana,
Rama, Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Hari Bol.
Badrita Rama Sari Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha
Rama Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Thank you so much. Now, Mataji, should we, you want to do the one or should we make them to practice here only 2, 3, 3 or like that?
We can do 3-3 and then go, Mataji. It's already
And then,
6-5.
yeah, you can ask the
So
question
then I'll
after
move everyone to the
that.
report room after that.
Yes, you can. You raise the hand. I'll take 3 or 4 kids and then Mataji will do the activity, okay?
Mataji, can I go first?
Okay, Subhadra, Giridhari, Gaurangi and Palvit. 4 kids, can you do the sloka?
Yes, it's Who is that? In the golden rainbow, when lost the eyes and the green Who's that? In the
Thank you so much. Now next, Tushita, Brinda, Deepak, Sudevi.
ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां प्रदेशायुज्यन तिष्ठति ब्रह्माणं सर्वभूतानि हृदये रुद्धानि मायया
Rudani Mayaya. Yes. Everyone did?
the shloka.
Yes, next time. Okay, you, Janvi, and remaining I'll ask next time. Yes, rhyme. Go ahead, Sudevi, Deepak, Brinda.
In a golden bow with Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman. With Sita, Rama, Hari Hari Bol. Ishavadita, Rama Sharira. Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Shiva Jagadisha Hare. Jai Jagadisha Hare. Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Now, Prahlad, Raghav, Satvik, Levan, Janavi, and Brinda. Okay. Can you do together? Raghav, Satvik, Levan, and okay. I can call Prahlad, Raghav, Satvik.
Bhutanam Ramayam Sarvabhutani Chandradani Mayaya Who's that? Holding a golden bow. I sang green. Who's that? Holding a
Subhadra.
जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे.
Thank you. Now Subhadra, Brinda, Janvi, and who is remaining? Can you raise the hand? Anybody else remaining?
My sister Mataji.
Yes, who is
I
this?
did not get to say.
Yes, Brinda,
Okay,
Janvi,
go.
and Subhadra. Can you go next? And then Hansi.
Okay. ईश्वरा सर्वभूतानां हृदीशारदिता ब्रह्मयन् सर्वभूतानि हृदमया. Mataji, can we go to the next slide? Who is that holding your golden cup with a rose and green still? Who is that holding a golden cup with Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman? With Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. Rama, Hari Bol, Keshava Dida, Rama Sita, Jai Jagadish Hare, Jai Jagadish Hare, Jai Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, thank you, Mataji. Can you take over the call, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. I'll just okay, we can. So anyone who wants to leave or isn't Govinda can stay. The remaining, I'm moving you to the breakout room, okay? Other than Anjana Mataji. Oh, even Vinita Mataji will not be there. Vrinda, you will have to. Vinita Mataji, I can't.
Mataji, Vrinda will be joining in a different device, Mataji. I will put her in the break room. I will put
Okay,
myself
yeah,
in
you
that.
can do that, Mataji.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, raise your hands. Come into the break room. Okay, in the break room, you all have to answer the activity. Okay, so everyone, please join. I'm also going. Bye bye. See you there.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
You are here only, Vrinda. This is not breakout. Mute yourself.